Hey there, everyone. We know that COVID-19 has been a challenging journey for all of us, but there's some good news. In 2023, you can still get free COVID tests to help protect yourself and your loved ones. Stick around, and we'll show you how. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification bell icon. Why testing matters. First things first, let's talk about why COVID testing is so crucial. As we've seen, the number of COVID cases can change rapidly. Regular testing helps us monitor the situation and control the spread. Plus, getting tested regularly can help you protect your family, friends, and community. Now, let's dive into the good stuff, where you can find free COVID tests in 2023. You can start by visiting official websites like the CDC or your local health department. They often have updated information on testing locations. And don't forget to check out mobile testing units and community health centers in your area. They might offer free tests as well. Remember, availability may vary, so it's a good idea to call ahead or check online before you go. Getting tested is easier than ever. Let's walk through the process. Step 1. Register. When you arrive at a testing site, you'll need to provide some basic information. Step 2. Sample collection. They'll use a simple nasal swab to collect a sample. It's quick and painless. Step 3. Wait for results. Most tests provide results within 24-48 hours. Tips for a smooth testing experience. Before you head to a testing site, here are some tips to ensure a smooth experience. Tip 1. Be prepared. Bring your ID, insurance information, if applicable, and any required documentation. Tip 2. Check the type of test. Some places offer drive-through testing, while others may require you to walk in. Choose the option that suits you best. Tip 3. Communicate any concerns or symptoms to the testing staff. They're there to help. Now, let's talk about what your test results mean. If your test comes back negative, it means you likely didn't have the virus at the time of the test. But remember, it's just a snapshot in time. If it's positive, it means you have the virus, and it's crucial to follow local health guidelines and isolate it to prevent further spread. Don't worry, though, most people with COVID-19 recover without any major issues. Follow your healthcare provider's advice for the best outcome. Testing is just one part of staying safe during the pandemic. Let's briefly touch on some other important precautions. Continue wearing masks, practicing social distancing, and washing your hands frequently. And if you haven't already, consider getting vaccinated. It's a powerful tool in our fight against COVID-19. Now, let's address some common questions about COVID testing. For more information and resources, check out the links in the video description below. You'll find up-to-date guidance and testing locations near you. And that's a wrap. Remember, staying informed and getting tested can make a big difference in our battle against COVID-19. Thanks for spending your time with us today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. If you like our video, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon.